Hello, this is Mrs. Young, and I'm here to talk with you today about wind power. Before we get started with today's lesson, please go ahead and grab a sheet of paper and something to write with. All right, let's get started. I would like you to write down everything that you know about wind power and renewable resources, or wind as a renewable resource. While you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get us started on our video.
Hi, I'm Lee Patrick Sullivan with Energy Now, and today I would like to talk to you about the power of the wind. People have been using wind as a form of energy for thousands of years to power sailboats and windmills. Without the power of wind, our ancestors would have struggled to travel across oceans, trade with other nations, and explore the wonders of the world. Wind is air in motion. It's caused by uneven temperatures on the Earth's surface when heated by the sun. Because the air over the land heats up more quickly than the air over the water, the warm air rises and the heavier, cooler air rushes in to take its place, creating wind. While this process is not as predictable as the rising and setting of the sun, it's just as renewable. In 2010, wind power generated about 2% of total U.S. electricity. Wind turbines harness the kinetic energy of moving air. The air blows over the blades, creating lift just like the wings of an airplane. This causes the blades to move, and through a drive shaft, this turns a generator that creates electricity. Similar to solar arrays, wind farms connect individual wind turbines together to generate electricity on a large scale. These wind farms can be built on both land and water. Building wind farms off the coastline of the United States is a new idea for capturing more of the wind's energy. Offshore areas have plenty of space, the wind is reliable, and wind farms built off the coastline would be much closer to major cities than those that already exist on land. The first offshore wind farm to win a permit from the federal.
All right. So, I hope you learned a few new things from that video. And you may be asking yourself, what does this video have anything to do with our lesson today? Good question. What you are going to be tasked with doing today is creating a sail-powered car. So, the materials you're going to want to look around for at your house include paper towel rolls, dowel rods, bottle caps. That's if you don't have a car with wheels. If you do, then you might be able to use something like this. Here I have a Lego car, and I've attached my sail to it with clay and a plastic rod and tape. Well, let me show you some examples if you do not have some type of car with wheels already. So here are some examples of some common materials like CDs in the second picture with bottle caps. They've used a skewer to create an axle. You can also use chopsticks or dowel rods. In this third picture, they've used a paper towel roll, and it looks like they have a straw poking through to two CDs as well. In this picture here, they've used cardboard and poked a skewer through the cardboard attached to two bottle caps. So there's many ways that you can use common materials you might already have at your house to create wheels and axles for your solar-powered car. Now let's talk about the sail. So what you are trying to investigate with this lesson is what properties of a sail affect how well it catches the wind. So you need to try several different types of materials for your sail. I would suggest with starting with a piece of paper. I use computer paper, but you can use notebook paper. If you have graph paper laying around, you can try that. You might want to try cardstock or cardboard, or construction paper. Cardboard will be a little bit difficult to catch the wind. You can also try aluminum foil, wax paper. Try a variety of different sails and sail designs to see which one does the best job at catching the wind. So that's your task. Please have fun. Look around and see what you have on hand. Remember, you're going to have to try this several times. It's going to be trial and error. And to test how well your sail catches the wind, you're going to need a blow dryer on low setting and or a box fan to see how well your car moves with the sail that you have used. Again, have fun, be willing to take risks, and good luck. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.